Hi everybody, I'm very excited. I got something that I wanted to try for a while. I got one of these Qi wireless chargers that go built in into whatever you want. So I would have to drill a hole and then I would place it in and then just wire the device into a USB charger. Now they say they recommend a Quick Charge 2 charger, but I think anything 2 amp and up is good. It is seems to be nicely made. It came with a protective cover for the top. I'm curious to see what kind of material this thing is, if it scratches easily after I remove it, obviously. When it's not in use and plugged, you get a red light to show you that it's connected. And the red light disappears when it starts charging. So let me see if I can demonstrate how quick and how far before it notices it. So I'm pretty far from it. I'm like about a centimeter from it, and it still charges. It's pretty cool. I was wondering what would happen if I had a case on this. In any case, I'm going to install it. Now, what I'm trying to do, I want to make this flush with the table. So I'm going to have to drill a counter hole of this size and then the other hole of this size in order for this to be flush in the table. I don't want this gap on the table. Not a big deal, but I think it's going to bother me that I can't just slide my phone on it. Anyway, I'm going to start working on it. I'm going to show you the results and maybe give you some tips afterwards if I encounter anything that needs to be mentioned. But it seems to be like a nice product for the price. We'll see. The only thing that was missing from this product, but I couldn't find anything else, was quick wireless charging. This is only at 5 watts. Not a big deal because this is really for the occasion where I just leave my my device and set it and forget it. Okay, we'll continue to the build section. All right, so the big question is, where should I do this? I'm thinking right here. And I know that there's nothing right here, so I can drill here. But if I go under the desk here, this side will not work, so I got to do it on this side, and the hole is going to be pretty much right here. Okay, let the drilling begin. Yep. All right, so let's see how this thing fits in. Nice. Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty thin, so I think I'm going to keep it this way for now. If I decide I want it flush, I could always do that. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt it, and we're going to do a demo. So this is how it looks from underneath. As you can see, I missed the mark a little, but it's fine because it just works. Anyway, let's test it out and see how this actually works in real life. All right, so let's see. I'm going to slide my phone. And there we go. Charging. Let's see how far it is. Still charging. I guess the area where it charges on the S7 is around here. But anyway, I'm pretty excited. This is really what I was looking for. And I'm going to post in a link to this product in the description and the pinned comment. I will also put in a follow-up as this product ages to let you know how I like it, and also if it withstood the test of time. If you like this video, please thumb up. If you hated it, please hit that dislike button as fast as you can. But don't forget to tell me why, okay? That's the deal. If you hit that dislike button, at least tell me why. All right, catch you in the next video. Till next time. Bye.